Right. Yeah, what it is, I went for a hair transplant in Turkey 7 years ago. A place called Maid Hospital in Istanbul. And they called me over and they said to me, we're going to give you the hair transplant. So I went there, they put me in a hospital. So I go thought to myself, where's the hotel? So then they took me to gave me a hospital bed. They gave me hospital dinners. For the first 3 days, I was just enjoying the views of Istanbul. Went to visit the Blue Mosque and all that. Then the 4th day, they called me over and they said, your operation is today. Can you please pay the money now? And so they charged me £1,400 for a hair transplant. They were giving me hospital dinners there. And then on my last day, they done the operation and they said, okay, you got to fly in 2 hours. And I was bleeding all over, I got bandages. I went to the airport, they nearly stopped me at the airport. They thought I had an accident, they wouldn't let me through departures. Then I told them I had a hair transplant, so I showed them the paperwork. They let me through. They didn't give me no treatment in Turkey, no aftercare, no nothing. And it's a waste of time going to Turkey for a hair transplant because they just want your money and they look what they've done to my hair. No hair transplant, no nothing, they just done a little bit here. And what it was, they weren't even proper surgeons, they were like students. And now I've come to UK Hair Transplant to get my hair transplant corrected.